Good afternoon, everyone. Blue skies, but very windy. We're already set up. We've got both rods out. I'm just using bread today. I'll do the best I can to keep this wind out of the video. Not making too many promises though. Hopefully it calms down a little bit here in the next hour. Got about 2 hours to fish. Just brought bread today. Let's see if we can get something. Okay, into a fish already. He's not very big. There we go. There we are. Probably in the mid 30 centimeters, maybe 40. But only been here about 10 minutes. We're on the board. Okay, so I'm using two rods. One of them I'm fishing right out there in front of those reeds. And then the second one just going straight out. There seems to be a little trough or something out there that some of the fish seem to hang around in. So that's the two spots I'm fishing. Not many birds flying around because of the wind. This guy's sitting up on top of a houseboat. Probably just overlooking the water, just waiting for something to come by so he can have some dinner. Okay, I'm getting a couple little bites on this rod. Again. Oh, got him. Go. It's another carp. There we go. Another one. Probably just a little bigger than the last one. He's about 40 centimeters, I would guess. So that's two. Get something hitting the rod. Oh, missed him. Oh. That's the first bite I've had in an hour. And he took the bait too. Turned out to be a lovely evening down here. Wind's calmed down. Some birds are starting to come out. Probably only have about another 20 minutes or so. Hopefully we can get another fish. Well, fast start, but very slow finish. A couple bites the last 2 hours and that was it. I'm in charge of dinner tonight, so I gotta get going. So I hope you liked the video, and until next time, keep fishing.